In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align, justify, and space text in Adobe Illustrator. Let's start by selecting the text you want to format. If you're editing the characters themselves, grab the Type tool by pressing T and click inside the text so it's active. If you just want to format a whole text object without editing letters, use the Selection tool by pressing V and click the text frame. Either way, make sure your text is selected so the alignment controls aren't grayed out. Next, open the Paragraph panel, which is where all the alignment and spacing controls live. Go to the top menu, choose Window, then Type, and click Paragraph. If you already see a Paragraph tab docked in your workspace, you can open it there instead. Keep this panel visible while you work. It's your control center for paragraph formatting. Now let's walk through the alignment options. Align left makes your text start from the left edge. It's the most common choice for body copy because it's easy to read and keeps a clean left margin. Align center centers each line, which is great for titles, short captions, and designs where symmetry matters. Align right makes the text start from the right edge, handy for labels, dates, or when your design aligns to a right margin. Justify spreads text evenly across each line from left to right, creating a clean block of text. This looks best when your text flows in a defined area, such as a text box with multiple lines, because Illustrator can distribute the spacing more naturally. If you don't see much change with Justify, check that your text has line breaks or spans multiple lines. With alignment set, refine the layout using indent and spacing. Indent controls move the paragraph in from the edges of its text area, which is useful for creating visual hierarchy or aligning text with other design elements. Spacing before and spacing after add breathing room above or below your paragraphs without inserting extra returns. This keeps your layout consistent and easy to adjust later. Small, even values usually look more professional than large jumps, so nudge the fields and watch how the text settles. As you make changes, keep an eye on the overall rhythm of your layout. Use consistent alignment and spacing across related text elements, and choose the option that supports readability and the tone of your design. That's it. Select your text, open the paragraph panel, choose the alignment that fits your needs, and fine-tune indent and spacing to finish strong.